Again, we have 3 squared minus 3 cubed, 3 divided by 3. 3 squared means 3 times 3 equals 9, right? 9 minus 3 cubed and 3 divided by 3. Now 9 minus 3 cubed means 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. So 27 and 3 divided by 3. Now 9 minus 27 equals 18, right? And 3 divided by 3. Now minus 18, 3 divided by 3 equals 1, right? Now here is multiply. Minus 18 times 1 equals minus 18. But this is wrong. Why? Parentheses must be done before multiplication and division and addition and subtraction, right? After the parentheses, exponents, then multiplication, division, then addition and subtraction. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Okay. First of all, parentheses first, right? So 3 squared minus 3 cubed and 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Now exponent, right? So 3 squared means 3 times 3 equals 9 minus 3 cubed and 1. Now 9 minus 3 cubed means 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27 and 1. Now here is multiply, alright? So 27 times 1 equals 27. Now 9 minus 27 equals 18.